Hey guys, Jim and Donnelly Ford in Mount Vernon. Want to show you this 2024 Ford Maverick XL that we have. If you know much about the Maverick market, we rarely have them. They're really special order only. And this one, for whatever reason, the customer wasn't able to pick it up. So under 30 grand, gets you in a brand new Maverick. Easy to get in and out of. Plenty of spots for water bottles. Of course, has your backup camera and some of that stuff we've all gotten used to over the years. Showing you a little bit of back seat there too. Not a ton of room, it is a smaller truck. I did move the seat up a little. You can see the room in the back seat. There is some back seat storage underneath there as well. Cool thing about this, got the little bed on here too. This one does have a tow package. It is all-wheel drive. So you can get in a brand new Maverick truck for under 30 grand with a tow package and all-wheel drive. Small bed, you actually can hit that QR code and it's going to give you some information on what you can do to deck the bed out. Don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to organize it and make it your own. You can do it with 40, 50 bucks and a trip to Lowe's. Guys, if this catches your eye, please let us know. We'd love to make it yours.